Welcome back to ManicMods, YouTube's home of misfit modifications and mayhem. Today, I will showcase the most unhinged retrofit I've ever attempted. I built a Cyberdeck cinema out of an old school Bentley TV. And it delivers. The PiJamsTV is a portable entertainment powerhouse with real bass, real brains, 2 Raspberry Pi operating systems, and more ports than a gaming laptop. Baby got back. To my CRT enthusiasts joining in, I'm sorry. I grew up on scan lines. I respect the appeal, but this build is unapologetically audio first. From the selection of amplifiers to the sheer dedication of internal space, this DIY was built to slap. We was built like that. We was built like that. And this ManicMod has lots of little ManicMods in it. I've rounded them all up for you in 3 experiences: listening, PlayDeck, and cinema. This is the PiJamsTV 2.1 showcase. Please like, share, and enjoy the ride. The 90s Bentley TV was built for viewing. Its interior space was mostly used to run the black and white tube, and to conserve power from the 9 alkaline batteries, listening was secondary. The PiJams was built for listening. Its interior space is mostly used to produce HD audio. Here, an oversized subwoofer and full-range speakers are driven by a 200-watt amplifier, all without compromise thanks to a modern lithium-ion battery. The Pi is not required to jam. The amplifier can switch to Bluetooth sources, and the RCA inputs in the rear can be used with a tap of the selector button. But the best listening experience starts with a tap of this power button. The soft glow of the tuning dial lights the way to our default operating system, MoOde, and this is where things get quite lavish, because there's more here than just a good-looking UI. It's the audiophile perks underneath that elevate this experience. Primarily, MoOde is configured to output to a digital audio converter. This DAC sits on top of my Raspberry Pi and is essential for clean, high-fidelity audio. While I prefer to make adjustments at the amplifier, this DAC enables a hardware volume control, so I can make adjustments sitting in front of the PiJams or away from it using its remote UI. And these changes are not limited to volume. Your entire music library, settings, and features like parametric EQ are also available via mobile. Part Cyberdeck, part mini theater, part arcade, all PiJamsTV. This is the PlayDeck experience. When MoOde is ejected, Raspberry Pi OS is launched from an internal SSD, and the HD boombox becomes a quad-core rig ready for anything. And yes, the DAC stays fully active here too. Pi OS gets the same clean audio path as MoOde. You've seen MoOde on the screen, but I didn't share that you can adjust its brightness. Same 5-inch size as the CRT, but with improved color, aspect ratio, and resolution. Don't take my word for it, here's the transformation in this experience. The original Bentley TV had no depth, and yet the batteries sink before the Titanic does. The PiJamsTV is a mini home theater through and through. And not only does it build on every experience, in testing, the PiJamsTV streams video for a respectable 11 hours at moderate volume. Had this battery been streaming only audio, it just may have made it through Winter Storm Hernando. I've said enough. This is the PlayDeck experience. Don't miss that Cyberdeck section with a few more mods baked right in. I'll see you at the cinema. Crisis averted. Please do let me know what you think about that scene in the comments below. There's also a like button there I invite you to tickle. Now for the final features in the cinema experience.
Dad, that's cinema!
Oh yeah.
Okay. We got this. We got this. Oh, I get it. Okay.
It'll take the end of all time.
Finish it outside?
Yes!
The next cinema experience goes all out, more unseen features, over 20 modifications working in harmony. But first, a shout to Kyle at Laser Everything for my engraved cover. If you want to see what that process looks like, or just think lasers are cool because they are, consider stopping by.
Alright, show's over. Break it up, break it up.
The PiJamsTV has the soul of a boombox, the thrill of a cinema arcade, and the DNA of a Cyberdeck. If you want to see how it all came together, I documented the entire build process on my channel. Last summer I told you the showcase was coming soon, and I was honest. And I hope you want to see it in action because that's exactly what's coming next.
This winter, ManicMods brings you.
It's spring. It's just me here. Mods are my obsession, producing them is my passion, and the future of my channel relies on you sharing my fearless retrofits and modifications. So if you like the production, like it. Sound off in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. It just wouldn't be the same without you.
I'm on the mic. Who's on the microphone? I am. What?